one of the important selection criteria in selecting a family law attorney is not just that they're experienced in, the state or jurisdiction where that your divorce is going to be filed. I think it's important to know that, like myself, I've been practicing for a very long time, highly educated, graduate of Harvard Law School. And you won't find a lot of family law attorneys with, my academic credentials as well as the credentials of our law firm where, I can bring, I also do business litigation. So I'm also very familiar with working with experts and having, sort of the baseline exposure to legal matters where, involves protection of businesses. I can be, particularly, a good fit for someone. Very often you do find family law practitioners. They may deal with less high net worth individuals than I do. They may not deal with situations where one party or another owns a business, in which case, for instance, if you represent the spouse and one of the other members of the relationship owns a business, it's very important to have a business-minded litigation attorney like myself that understands not just how businesses are run, but what someone might do to conceal assets in their business or to try to avoid, let's say, to understate what their own personal net worth is for the purposes of divorce to make it look like they're in less, for example. And these are all examples of where you would want to select someone, if you contemplate that you're going to be litigating the issue. And again, as I said, the surest way to avoid litigating some of these issues, and in fact, the only secure way to do it, is through either a prenuptial, more common, or less common, a postnuptial